Hear that? Silence. Nature. Peace. Quiet. I think you look at what's going on in the world today. I think one of the biggest things we've lost is our connection to this, to nature. To just spending time out in nature, you know, all wrapped up in technology and all this carry on. You know, the fear out there is unbelievable. The funny thing is, it doesn't have to be that way. You don't have to be living in fear. You don't have to. You can choose not to. Mental health is off the charts. Anxiety, depression. You know, I see posts from people online. A lot of people suffering. These lockdowns and all this restrictions. Losing jobs. Losing purpose in life. It's been taken away. And we're allowing it. We're allowing it. But it's very important in these times now to look after our mental health. That's why I come out here. That's why I come out to nature. I sit in the woods. I get in touch with myself. Get in touch with nature. What's happening will continue. Far too many people, the vast majority of people are buying into this. Some are buying into it 100%, believe in everything. Others are not so sure, but they're going to go along with it, just so they can go on holidays or go for a pint. You know, I don't blame them, you know, but at the end of the day, we are creating our own enslavement by going along with the dictators who are telling us how to live, what to do. Wash our hands every goddamn few minutes. You know, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. It's madness. I just want to say to people out there who are suffering anxiety, depression, your mental health's not the best, you're not alone. You're definitely not alone. So reach out. Reach out. Nature, the woods is where I find peace of mind out here. You know, I find peace of mind. You're able to deal with the stresses of life. You know at the beginning when you're out in the woods and you're on your own and or whatever, you don't necessarily have to be on your own, but I just prefer to be on my own. You know, not all the time. Sometimes I come with people. But most of the time I come out on my own, and I prefer that. You know, but you eventually get used to it. You eventually get used to it, being with your thoughts and being with yourself. You know, it's kind of an empowering thing. You know, it's empowering to be able to come out and sit here on your own for a length of time and just be. You know, the old just be. Just be. So yeah, the sad state of affairs, the suffering. Anyway, just thought I'd share some thoughts with you. Maybe just enjoy this piece of quiet with me the next couple of seconds. Have yourself a good day. All the best.